How to use setting in, app lock, and gallery lock. Security credentials. Tap on the security credentials option to change your master password to any of the following: password, PIN, or pattern. Fingerprint lock. Tap on the fingerprint lock option to enable fingerprint authentication for additional security. Cloud backup. Tap on the cloud backup option to sync your locked data with your cloud account, Dropbox. Data recovery. Tap on the data recovery option, then tap the recover button, and your data will be restored. Recover of credentials. Tap on the recovery of credentials option and set up your email address for account recovery. Decoy mode. Tap on the decoy password option, set up a fake password, and then add fake data to enhance security. Panic switch. Enable the panic switch. You can trigger it by flicking, shaking, or placing your palm on the screen. This quickly switches to another app for added privacy. Themes. Tap on the themes option and select your preferred color.